Imagine your story this summer with all of our programs at our cflibguides.lonestar.edu is where we have all of our programs listed. Don't forget to sign up for summer reading at hcpl.beanstack.org. Now on with the show. Don't forget to like and share these videos. Hey, Zach,
Yeah?
do you want to do a craft?
Only if it's a piranha craft.
Okay, I can make that happen. All right, so hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Missy from Lone Star College Sci-Fair in Harris County Public Library, and we are going to do a craft today. And my son and I, Zach, we're going to make a piranha fish. All right, for this craft, you're going to need paper, pencils, popsicle sticks, tape, scissors, and anything else that you want to color with. So it looks like this, and when we finish, so we're gonna get started. We first have to learn how to fold our paper. You ready, Zach?
Yeah!
All right, let's get our paper. Let's fold it in half. Okay?
Yeah. You want a burrito, not a burger.
Yes, burritos, not a burger. Okay, so we gotta fold it with the paper being the long way, not this way. We don't want it that way.
You don't want the hamburger way.
Right. Okay. Now that we have it folded, okay, we're gonna bring it up some, so we're gonna have like a little fold on the inside. Okay. Do you got it?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna fold it up, same way. Yeah. Or you can bring it down to whatever makes it easier for you. Very good. Make sure you got a good crease, right?
Crease?
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's check it. Really get that crease in there. Now we're gonna get our pencils.
Helps me. If you start your fingers in the middle, you go like that, and then you go like that.
All right. Get your pencil. Oh, you get yours. I got mine. Okay. You ready? So first step, we're going to make a C. Okay. So we're gonna make a big C. All right. So a capital C. There we go. That's fine. And now we're going to make that C into a backwards D. So we're going to bring that down into a backwards D. Can you do that?
Yeah.
If you need to bring your C out a little bit more. Oh, that looks good.
A baby piranha.
You're making a baby piranha. Now we need to make the back of the piranha. So we're going to bring a line over. Good. And now another line over. And to make the belly. Very good. Now we need to make the tail of the piranha. So we've got, I make like little diagonal lines out.
Me too.
And pull it down. And so I've got the tail. All right. And now we're going to also connect so that you can see that it's their tail. So connect those two spots.
This is the most
Very good. Now we need to make an eye of the fish. Can we put a cute little eye on there? Cute little eye. Here's my cute little eye. It's my piranha's gonna be cute. I could put some eyelashes if I wanted to, but I'm not going to.
Aww.
Now we need to make its smiley face because it's a smiling fish. So we're gonna go from where the little line is here. We don't want to cross over that. So we're gonna just make a little smile. So look, it's smiling. Yay. Now the fish can't swim much because it doesn't have any fins. So let's make a top fin.
Help me.
And I like to make mine a little bit bigger. Okay, so that way it will, so it's easier for me to cut out when I make it into a puppet. Very good. And let's make a bottom fin too. And put its bottom fin. Oh, it's okay, it's a square fin. Now, all right.
Orca whale fin.
Right, let's open it up. Now we've got this big open space. We need to connect our lines. So I like to start from the tail and work forward because this spot's the tricky spot. So let's go ahead and connect our lines. Both of them, yeah, there you go. Now we've got one more that we need to connect, and it's right here. Okay? We're going to connect right here. From here to there. Very good.
I wonder what we're going to be doing next?
Now we need to make the mouth. The mouth is very important, okay? So we're going to make a big C in.
Like
so
this?
starting, hold on, we're going to start where that smiley face is, right there. Our smiley face, we're going to connect it to our smiley face. Did you see that? Very good. Now, this is part of our tooth. And where our smiley face ended, we don't want our tooth to be, yeah, so we're going to make, I'm going to make mine go up a little bit more and bring it down to that spot. All right. And now I'm going to make some more teeth. Very easy. Just kind of make some big swoopy teeth. I'm making mine a little bit scarier than I probably should. But there's my teeth. You've got some square teeth going on. Maybe it's not a piranha. Maybe it's a sheep. Was it the sheep fish that has like the, it's got like almost looks like human teeth?
Stop it.
All right, while you're making your teeth, I'm going to get started on making all my scales because now we can actually decorate our fish. Okay, so you can make scales or anything that you want, right?
Yeah.
You can make it however you want. You can decorate it. So I'm going to make mine with some scales, okay? So scales,
Blah.
very easy.
It looks like he's barfing out teeth.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Well, you can see how it works
I'm not.
because now we've got a smiley face and then rawr. You can do it however you want. You can make it as detailed as you want your fish. It's your fish. And so if you want to put some polka dots in, you can do however you want. And now you can use your markers, your colored pencils, anything that you have, and you can decorate it. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut mine out and I'm going to put it on a stick. And I'm going to make mine into a cute little puppet. Are you going to make yours into a puppet?
No.
No? Okay.
Because he's a baby.
He's a baby. He doesn't need to be on a stick. Okay. So I'm going to just cut mine out. So I've got my scissors and I'm just going to, I'm going to just cut it out.
I'm
Easy.
rushing, but
You're fine.
it's okay because look at this.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You've got a spotted tail.
I'm gonna try at least
Yeah?
to do the body.
Very good.
Because look how many polka dots he has.
He does. Keep
He's a-
going. You're doing great.
He's a diseased fish.
He's diseased. Oh, no. And my last cut.
I don't know what went on here. Right here.
Well, I'm going to put mine on a stick. So I'm going to use some tape.
It's
You can
easier
use
to
glue,
use tape.
or you can use tape, but tape is easier
Way
for this one,
easier.
for it to stick.
And
And I want to play with it now. I don't want to play with it once
And
it dries.
plus, if it falls off, you can just stick it back together.
That's right. Rawr. Rawr.
Mommy, baby. Avoid the
Oh.
baby spots.
So here it is. You ready? Rawr. It's a very silly looking fish, but you can make all different kinds of ones as you're going. So we have,
I'm done.
we've got our first one we made. Rawr. We've got lots of them that you guys can keep making.
I finally did it.
If once you figure out the fold, you can do all different kinds of things. It doesn't just have to be fish. You can figure out how to make legs longer. Everything is really cool to kind of be able to make it into a fun puppet. Rawr. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no, you made a fish in there. Very good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really hope that you try out this craft. Have a great time with it. And until then, until I see you again, happy reading. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, for other programs that we have throughout the week, visit our LibGuides page. Follow the link below. Also, don't forget to sign up for summer reading at hcpl.beanstack.org.